So now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 3.1, and in this question it is given to you, in which of the following examples of motion can the body be considered approximately a point object? Clear? So first of all, let us try to understand what is point object. Point object means what? When we can treat any object as a point object. When distance covered by an object is very large compared to size of an object, then we can say that object can be treated as a point object. For example, size of a locomotive engine is we can treat it as a point object compared to distance covered by the locomotive between two stations. Clear? We can treat sun and the earth as a point object because distance between sun and earth is very large compared to size of the planet. Yes or no? So this is a concept of point object. Now here four situations are given to you. Now we have to choose which one is a correct, in which situation we can take object as a point object. Clear? So in first situation, a railway carriage moving without jerks between two stations. So clearly we can see, because distance covered between two points or two stations, it will be very large compared to size of a railway carriage. It means we can treat railway carriage as a point object. Clear? It means this situation is correct. Now second situation is given to you, a monkey sitting on top of a monkey cycling smoothly on a circular track. It means we can say size of a monkey is very less compared to distance covered by the cycle. Yes or no? It means we can treat monkey as a point object. So this situation is also correct. Clear? If we talk about situation number C, a spinning cricket ball that turns sharply on hitting the ground. So when spinning ball is hit on a ground and then turns, so distance covered in turning, it will be comparable with size of a ball. Clear? So we cannot treat ball as a point object. It means in situation C, we will not take ball as a point object. Clear? Now in situation number 4, it is given a tumbling beaker that has slipped off edge of a table. So let's suppose we have a table, and from the edge of a table a beaker is tumbling. Clear? So we can say, because size of a beaker and the distance, or we can say the height through which the beaker that falls on a ground, that is comparable with the size of a beaker. Yes, it means we can say in this situation also we cannot treat beaker as a point object. Clear? So first two situation we can treat object as a point object, and last two situation it cannot be. Yes or no? So this is all about this question.